So this is the SANSUI ES32S1N 75-inch TV, 4K, full Android television. If you stand, what am I? I'm like 4 or 5 feet away. It is so immersive.
This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio.
It's got a built-in Google Assistant. It's got a Chromecast also built in. You got your dedicated Netflix, YouTube. You got your 2 USB ports right here. HDMI 1, 2, 3 with the ARC. So there are certain apps that I want to go and install on this TV that I could not install with like a Roku or WebOS platform. But with this TV I can. And the operating system is so much better. There's absolutely no lag, no skip, no nothing. I'm loving the TV though. So this is the SANSUI ES32S1N 75-inch TV, 4K, full Android television. It's got a built-in Google Assistant. It's got a Chromecast also built in, which means it does not lag like the Sony Bravia TVs. This is the UHD TV, so it is Ultra HD. This TV does connect to your 5G network. So there are certain apps that I want to go and install on this TV that I could not install with like a Roku or WebOS platform. But with this TV I can. So that's what attracted me to this TV. Wow, I love the back. So it's got a very nice design feature on the back. Of course, nobody's gonna see it, but it's that attention to details that matters, because your cable, regular 120 volt. So this is your antenna. You got your 2 USB ports right here. These will power off like a TV box, a Bluetooth keyboard, another Chromecast, another HDMI device, LED lights, whatever you have. And underneath here is where your ports are. Your LAN cable goes right there. Optical in, headphone, HDMI 1, 2, 3 with the ARC. And then you've got your S video channels for input. So this is for the like old school camcorders and anything that requires that yellow cable with the white and red for the audio, which is the RCA, I think they're called. 3/8 of an inch. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. If we take a look at this remote control, very standard, nothing fancy or anything. There's no like arches or anything like that. So they did provide you with batteries. There's a trackpad in the center to navigate the menus. You've got your dedicated Google Assistant button right there in the center. You've got your dedicated Netflix, YouTube, your audio closed captioning, your exit from menus, your home to take you to the home of the interface, your volume here. The volume on this is supposed to be great. At the very top, you're going to note you can fast forward or skip tracks. Now this is great because it works wonders with YouTube videos. The great thing is you could just hook up a camera to this TV, and then you can use this for Zoom or conference or anything else. And the great thing is you can cast obviously from any device, tablet, phone, or anything. Alright, so at this point we get to install apps. So let's just go through the ones that we want. Facebook, not really. Radio, sure. Tubi, TED, yes. Red Bull, sure. Let's put some game on there. Alright, so there it is. Mishu is definitely intrigued. Right? What do you think, Mishu? What do you want to what? What do you want to discover? Crave? Do you crave? How about Rakuten? There's some kitty in it. The lag on this is obviously for gaming. There's no lag. Super high contrast. Let's just wait for this to buffer. I think this is buffering. There it goes. Now, in terms of how it looks from different angles, I would say it does. You can see maybe 5% difference, but you can still play from every single angle. Very good. Wow, it is so immersive. Like, if you stand, what am I? I'm like 4 or 5 feet away. It's just immersive. Let's crank up the audio.
I'm not helping you. I don't care. It's filthy American scum. Anyway, all that good stuff. Anyway, once he finishes his spiel there, you're going to head back to RevNow, talk to him again, and he's going to give you a key card that is going to only allow you to access a couple different locations.
So the audio's got pretty good bass. You can definitely hear it. Let's play something else. Let's play something that shows all the colors here. So I wonder if this is actually right now on my phone, so I can stream to this with the Google Voice.
This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sits the mood of the scene.
So this TV does have Dolby Digital built right into it.
Come on, you guys, let's go!
Or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury. And remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision. Because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you've seen on a screen. This is luminance that means the difference between white
You really can't
and
tell.
pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color you've never experienced in the cinema.
Like you really can't see any of the dots. It's pretty sharp. It's unfortunate that right now it's daytime, so you guys can see me in the reflection. I'll try this again at night. Alright guys, so for first impressions, definitely happy with the resolution. I mean, it looks pretty good from all angles. The darks are very dark. The brights are nice and highlighted. Audio definitely really good. And the fact that this was $300 less than Sony Bravia, and the operating system is so much better. There's absolutely no lag, no skip, no nothing. Okay. 4K screensavers. Let's up this. Audio is just unreal. This is during the day too, you guys, so just imagine at night. Beautiful. Well, that's my review. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, this is the 75-inch SANSUI full Android television with a built-in Google Assistant, 2 USB ports, 3 HDMIs. There's nothing wrong with this TV. All metal assembly, tiny, slim profile. Just under 3 inches. This whole thing. The VESA mounting. I know I forgot to show you guys the VESA mounting. They're at the bottom there, and that's the space between them. So it's quite a lot. You're gonna have to get a real mount for this. It weighs 55 pounds, so just a little less than that old TV there. Thanks so much for tuning in.